The next question, cyclopropane gives the cyclopropane gives the 1-propene. So this reaction follows the first order kinetics. The rate constant at particular temperature is 2.303 into 10 power minus 2 per hour. So the initial concentration of cyclopropane is 0.25 m. So what will be the concentration of cyclopropane after 1806 minutes? So first we need what is given in the question, rate constant value. So K is equal to 2.303 into 10 power minus 2 hour inverse. So A naught, that initial concentration is, so initial concentration, that is A naught is 0.25 m. So T equal to, so 1806 minutes. So it the rate is given in hour, but the concentration is given in a minute. So we need to convert that minute into hour. So we are going to divide this 1806 divided by 60. So what is asking in the question? So concentration is, we need to calculate the concentration. So after 1806 minute. So that one the A here. So next we are going to substitute all the data in the formula. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log of A naught divided by A. So here K value is 2.303 into 10 power minus 2 equal to 2.303 divided by T value is 1806 divided by 60 here. Log of A naught value 0.25 divided by A only we are going to calculate. So here 2.303 and 2.303 are common here. So we are cancel out that both the things. So we are getting 10 power minus 2 here equal to 60 is goes to the upper side. So 60 divided by 1806 log of 0.25 divided by A. Log of, so log of 0.25 divided by A equal to, so this one goes to the left hand side. So 1806 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 60. So 60 and 1806 are cancelled. So we are getting 301 divided by 10 into 10 power minus 2. So we are getting 301 into 10 power minus 3. So minus 3 is there. So we need to keep the point three numbers before. So next log 0.25 divided by A equal to, so this is the value of log 2. 0.301 is the value for log 2. So 0.205 divided by A equal to log 2. So log is common in both the sides. So we are going to cancel the log. So finally we are getting A is equal to, so A only we are going to calculate. So A is equal to 0.25 divided by 2. So we are getting the value 0.125 m. So option B is the right answer. So next question 13. So for a first order reaction, so the rate constant is 6.909 minutes. So the time taken for 75% conversion in minutes is, so K value is 6.909 minute. So K value first order rate equation we are going to write here. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into log of A naught divided by A. So initial concentration is always 100%. So A concentration after the 75%, that is after some time. So the concentration becomes changes. So A is equal to 100 minus 75% is given here. So 100 minus 75, we are getting the 25. So K value is 6.909 equal to, so 2.303 divided by T into log of, so A naught value is 100 and divided by A value 25. So we are cancel each other. So we are getting 4 here. So T only we are going to calculate. So we need to bring the T in the left hand side. So T is equal to 2.303 divided by, so this 6.909 comes down. So 2.303 divided by 6.909 into log of, so 2 squared only 4. So 2 squared. So this one cancel, this one is 3 times. So we are getting T is equal to 1 by 3 log of 2 power of 2. So 2 is comes in the front side. So we are getting T is equal to 2 by 3 log of 2. So option B is the right answer. So next question number 14. So in a first order reaction, X gives Y. So if K is the rate constant and the initial concentration of the reactant X is 0.1 m. So then half-life is. So initial concentration is, so that is A naught is 0.1 m. So that is A is the half-life means, so the initial concent, half of the initial concentration. So A is equal to 0.1 divided by 2 m. So first order reaction we need to write. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T half. The half life is given. So we change the T into T half. So log of A naught divided by A. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T half log of, so A initial value 0.1. So on the A value 0.1 divided by 2. So both are 0.1 are same here. So we have cancelled that one. So this in the denominator 2 is there, it goes to that upside. So so we are getting the K is equal to 2.303 divided by T half log of 2. So T half only we are going to calculate. We need to bring the T half in the left hand side. So T half is equal to 2.303 divided by K into log 2. So we know already how to convert that ln into log form. So we need to multiply that log into 2.303. So log into 2.303 is a ln. So we are changing this one into ln 2 divided by K. So option C is the right answer. So next question number 15. Predict the rate law of the following reaction based on the data given below. So an equation is given here. So 4 reactions are conducted. So they are marking the concentration of A and B. So and also the rate is given here. So first rate one we are going to write. So for that we are taking the reaction number 1. So rate 1 equal to K into, so what is the A concentration? 0.1. So power N. So what is the B concentration here? 0.1 power M. So next we are going to write for reaction number 2. So that one we are taking the rate 2. So rate 2 equal to K into, so concentration of A. So A value is 0.2 power N. So concentration of B value 0.1 power M. So next we are going to divide equation 2 by 1. So 2x. So what is the initial rate for reaction to 2x? So 2x divided by x equal to, so what is given in that equation, what we are getting in the equation 2? So K 0.2 power n, so, and then into 0.1 power m. So divided by, so what we are getting for equation number 1? So K into 0.1 power n, so into 0.1 power m. So next we are going to cancel that same components. So 0.1 m, so here 0.1 m are same. So we are cancel this one. K also common here. Next we are going to cancel the K. So we cancel this one means we are getting 2 power n. So here we are getting 2 power x divided by x. So next x are cancelled. So 2 power 1 we are getting. So n is equal to, next we are going to compare the powers of the powers. So n is equal to 1 we are getting. So like that, how we written for rate for the first reaction 1 and 2. So like that we are going to write for rate reaction 3 and 4. So rate for that reaction number 3 is equal to rate 3 equal to K. So A concentration is 0.1 power n. So on the B concentration is 0.2 power m. So and then fourth reaction rate. So rate 4 is equal to K into, so A concentration is 0.2 power n. So and then B concentration is 0.2 power m. So next we are going to divide equation 4 by 2. So equation 4 means that the initial rate is 8x. So 8x divided by 2x. So sorry, equation 4 divided by equation 2. So by 2x equal to, so this side for equation 4 what we are getting, K into 0.2 power n, so 0.2 power m. So divided by, so equation 2 value. So 0.2 power n. So and then into 0.1 power m. So next we are going to cancel the common terms. So x is common here. We are going to cancel this one. So and then k term is common here. So and then 0.2 power n. Here also 0.2 power n is there. So next we are going to cancel this one. So what is we are getting 2 power m. So here 4 times. So we cancel this one means 8. 8 is 4 times of 2. So 2 power 2. So we are getting m is equal to 1. So next we are going to enter the m value and the n value in the rate equation. So rate equal to rate equal to k into a. So a power n. So n value is 1 here and b into power m. So m power is, so m value is 1 here. So we are getting n value equal to 1, m value is equal to 2, not 1. So which is, see the option now. So option B is the correct answer.